so caring, so empathetic.
Caring and with a wonderful sense of humor.
She's a easygoing person and a loving person.
Loving, very loving.
Trustworthy beyond any, just no doubt about that.
She listens. It's not just with ears or not just active listening, not just paraphrasing and repeating back to you, but she has a very open heart.
She's a heart center woman.
She sees the spark in people.
You just know when she's talking with you that she really cares about your success.
I totally knew that she was only interested in my best interest.
And I knew I could count on her to be there to listen.
She's very much about creating the space for you to explore for yourself.
The extra dimension that Julianne has is this very high vision, this very high level at which she connects with people.
In personal ways too, she was there. And for times it was very difficult for me, and she really was there.
And then all of a sudden you kind of get some assistance from someone who understands the process and is able to help you move farther than you've done in 20 years within a few months. That's pretty cool.
Every time I said something, she would then give me feedback. And she'd seen 2 or 3 or more things that I'd just not seen at all.
But just as a person, she's amazing.
Thank you for your presence, for your attention, for keeping with me my dream alive.
My life would not have been the same without her. So there's really a before Julianne and after Julianne.
When someone has absolutely changed your life, a whole other generation's life, let alone the people that you work with, thank you seems so, it's like, thanks? But it's not monumental enough.
I would say thank you from the bottom of my heart.